In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change country on Etsy. Changing your country or region on Etsy is a straightforward process that can enhance your shopping experience. By updating your settings, you ensure that the items you see are relevant to your location. This helps you find products that can be shipped to you without any hassle. Let's get started. First, you'll want to sign into your Etsy account. This is crucial because only registered users can modify their account settings. As you enter your email and password, pay close attention to ensure you enter the correct information. A successful login will take you to your Etsy homepage where you'll have access to your account features. If you encounter any issues signing in, double-check your credentials. Once you're in, you're ready to move on. Next, click on the Your Account icon. This icon is typically located in the upper right corner of the page. Clicking on it will reveal a drop-down menu that gives you various options related to your account. This is an important step because it leads you to the settings you need to change your country. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the options available here. They can be useful for other account adjustments as well. From there, select Account Settings. This takes you to a dedicated page where you can manage various aspects of your account, including your profile, preferences, and, importantly, your region settings. It's a good idea to explore this page as it offers a lot of useful features for customizing your Etsy experience. After selecting this option, you will be directed to a new window that contains several tabs, including the Account tab, which is where we'll focus next. Under the Account tab, find the section labeled Region. This portion is specifically designed for changing your country or region settings. It's essential to locate this section because it directly impacts the content you see on Etsy. You'll notice a drop-down menu next to it. Click on this menu to reveal a list of countries and regions available for selection. This is where you get to choose your preferred location. Choose your new country or region from the drop-down menu. The list may be extensive, so take your time to find the correct option. Selecting the right country is important because it determines which products are highlighted for you based on your geographical area. It also affects shipping options that sellers can provide. Once you've made your selection, you're almost done with this process. After making your selection, click on Save Settings. This action is crucial because it ensures that your changes are applied to your account. Once you click Save, you should see a confirmation message indicating that your settings have been updated successfully. This reassurance confirms that you can now enjoy a tailored shopping experience on Etsy based on your new location. You can also change your region, currency, and language using the menu at the bottom of any Etsy page. This is a handy feature that allows you to adjust these settings without navigating through multiple pages. If you prefer a more streamlined approach, this option is worth considering. It's especially useful if you frequently shop from different regions. A few things to keep in mind. Changing your region affects which items Etsy highlights and which products are shown as shipping to your area. However, you can still browse all listings worldwide. This flexibility ensures that you don't miss out on unique items available in other regions. If you are an Etsy seller, changing your account region does not automatically change your shop's legal country, bank account, or payment setup. Those settings have additional restrictions. It's important to keep this in mind as it can affect how you manage your shop and transactions. By following these steps, you now have the ability to change your country on Etsy easily. Happy shopping!